Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Ronald from the Philippines. Today I'm gonna share with you my website creation for my personal project website creation from WordPress website. So by the way, I'm not a graduate of a full stack developer, or I don't have a knowledge of a coding system, but I can build website through the help of website plugin, drag and drop. Okay, so let's proceed to the WordPress panel. So I'm gonna log in this one. Okay, let's wait for the loading. And now here's my dashboard. Before we will proceed exploring this one, let's go first to the front end website. Okay, so this is the front end website. So let's scroll down. This is the product I created from the WooCommerce plugin. Social media, woman necklace, is a organic drink, men's watch. There is my picture, this one. So I intended to place this one to prove that this is my work or my project. Let's head down, client C, picture again, and the contact details or the footer. So we have the navigation panel here at the top, and we have also here in the bottom. Okay, so let's proceed to the dashboard. So let's now explore one by one, but not totally all features here because it's gonna take a long time to finish this one. So I'm gonna share only the short overview. So this site is almost finished, 90% finished. From scratch to page creation, putting SEO plugin for website optimization, putting pixel. Let's proceed to the page for template appearance. So this is the template. So right now I'm using this template. Then let's go to the pages. This is the pages I created about card, contact us, home. This one shop, terms and conditions is coming from the WooCommerce plugin. So let's proceed to the plugins. Plugins is here. Install plugins. So this is all my cheat sheet. WooCommerce is all about the payment system. Then Caldera forms for all kinds of customer inquiry. This Elementor also for page builder. Then Bato elements also. This is a good example also for the footer, email, etc. Add-ons for Elementor, Facebook for WordPress, this is for the pixel. Header, you are going to put some coding system. Live chat is for the customer support if there is a customer inquiry. Navigation header and footer menu. Ocean Extra, this is for Ocean WP theme. Post grid for the post decoration purposes. This is the Smosh for Smosh 8 for image optimization. And here it is the WooCommerce for the e-commerce business. This is part of WooCommerce. File manager if you want to save your WordPress data and other forms also for the email, customer inquiry, XML sitemap. So of course this is a very important for the SEO purposes for Google optimization from your web pages or your website. This one is use SEO plugins also is number one of the best use SEO plugins. We have a total of 5 million subscribers. Okay, so now let's proceed to the WooCommerce where we can put our products. Okay, loading. It's a little bit slow loading. Now here is my product I created last week. I created the ebooks. This one is social media marketing tips. The women thickness. This is for the organic drink. For the memes, watch. You can edit here. Loading. Let's wait for the loading. You can change this one 300 or 400. Then the download files where the customer can download the link, tags, is acceptable, the download limit. We will put one. Download expiry, you can change it one or never. Then the short description, image. Then we will put this one a category. See, add new category. Then we will label it ebook. The product tags, we'll put the reading, tutorial, or online tutorial book. Then add. If you go down this product image, the product catalog, you can add another products here. And this one is for the SEO purposes, for search engine optimization. This one we will create a separate topic because this is a broad discussion also. Okay, so now we will proceed to the let's proceed to the front end website. Now we will test this one, all of this button if it is working. The home button, it's working. About us, it's working. By the way, I placed only a dummy text because this is just only a demo purposes. In the shop, product image. So let's try this one to place it on the cart so that we can prove it is actually working. So we will click this one or add to cart. Now it's already added. Let's proceed to the cart. And okay, and now it's working. Placed on the cart. So let's check. Or I will choose pre-shipping, flat rate, local pickup. Now I will, or shall we say free shipping, and proceed to checkout. And now we are here in the checkout page. So here is my details, my name details, or company. This is just an example. My address, my town, postal code, phone, email, and the price, type of shipping, and type of payment, either GCash or Pimaya. This is a local payment method, and the type of delivery, cash or COD. This is for the international. Then let's check this one and place order. Let's wait for the loading. And now let's go to the dashboard so that we will prove, we can show the product that I ordered. So we will sit here in WooCommerce, and now there is an order, this order number 1. So there is order, but we will choose the latest or the newest one. So by the way, this one I ordered it last September 24, but the newest one is this one. So let's check this one. Okay, so this is the one, the details that I ordered.